Welcome to my channel. I'm Venus. Today, we will learn the brief history of English alphabets and Chinese characters, and I also demonstrate some basic Chinese character strokes. The English alphabet has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It originates from the ancient Proto-Semitic script around 1750 BCE, which was one of the earliest alphabets used by the Semitic-speaking people in the Sinai Peninsula. This script was adopted and modified by the Phoenician to the Phoenician alphabet, and then adopted by the Greeks. The Greeks passed it on to the Romans, who modified it to create a Latin alphabet. Over time, the Latin alphabet evolved into the modern English alphabet we use. From the Phoenician alphabet, with its consonantal script, to the Greek addition of vowels, and finally to the Romans, who refined it further. Each step brought us closer to the 26 letters we know today. Now, let's explore the evolution of the Chinese characters. Chinese writing has a history of over 3,000 years. It starts with oracle-born script, which for inscriptions on bonds and total shares used for divination during the Song Dynasty. The Song Dynasty began around 1600 BCE. From the oracle-born script, characters evolved into the bronze script, used on richer bronzes. Then to the seal script during the Qing Dynasty, which standardized the character. Later, the clerical script emerged during the Han Dynasty, simplifying strokes. Finally, we have the regular script, which is the standard form used today. Now, let me see the evolution. Let's move on to some basic Chinese strokes. Understanding these strokes is essential for writing Chinese characters. Here are the fundamental ones. First, we have 点, 的养点, which is a dot. There are several types of dots. Horizontal dots include 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots. Vertical dots include 2 dots and 3 dots. Next is 横, 横, a horizontal stroke. Then we have 竖, 竖, a vertical stroke. 撇, 撇 is a left falling stroke. Na is a right falling stroke. 横钩, 钩. 横钩 is a horizontal stroke with a hook. 横折钩, 直折, 钩 is a horizontal stroke with a turn and a hook. 竖钩, 钩 is a vertical stroke with a hook. 竖弯钩, 弯 钩 a vertical stroke with a bend and a hook. We've explored the evolution of English alphabets and Chinese characters, and then some basic Chinese strokes. Understanding these basic strokes is very important. It helps you to identify and write the Chinese character in the future and make learning Chinese Mandarin more easy and interesting. There are some other strokes in the table. We will go through them later. In the next video, I will explain the stroke order for Chinese character writing with the secret. You will find that writing Chinese is no longer difficult to you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.